classes 9 to 12, where ambition begins to take shape. At Sparsh International School, education goes beyond the classroom. Through our integrated academic approach, students prepare for competitive exams like NEET, JEE, and CUET without compromising school life. With world-class laboratories and experiential learning, concepts transform into clarity, and clarity into outstanding results. Supported by expert career guidance and an entrepreneurial mindset, our students don't just dream big, they build big. The future doesn't wait, and neither should you. Admissions open. Enroll now.